In this video, I will show you how to view referral code in GCash. One important thing is that GCash does not provide a direct referral code like some other apps. Instead, they give you a referral link that you can share with others. So to be able to use the referral code in order to attach it to other wallets, you will need to first launch the GCash application on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection as the app needs to load your profile and referral options properly. Once you are at its home screen, you will see different tabs at the bottom. Tap on the Profile tab. On the Profile page, you will see a variety of different options. Scroll through them and select the Refer Friends option. As soon as you tap on this option, GCash will generate a referral link for you. Now that you have your referral link, you can start using it to refer friends and win rewards. You will see options like share it via Messenger, SMS, or any other social media app. You will also see several other options to share the link directly. Simply select the method that is most convenient for you. Moreover, some referral programs may require the new users to complete specific actions such as verifying their account or making a first transaction. You can check the GCash app or their website to see the latest referral rewards and conditions. And this is how you can view referral code in GCash.